Welcome to video 5 of the Stress Less, Lose More 5-Day Challenge. Today we will learn how to sleep well. Insomnia, there are a lot of causes of insomnia, but stress and anxiety are the major culprits of insomnia. And when we don't sleep well, we are more easily stressed. We don't cope with it well because we just don't have the energy to do so because we have slept poorly. So we need to sleep well so our brain can release human growth hormone and so that we can have energy. So we can decrease that stress hormone cortisol, which causes us to gain weight and prevents us from losing weight, so that we can build muscle, so that we won't crave sugar, and so that we can lose the weight. So how to sleep? We need to unwind our mind. This will help us to reduce our stress before we go to sleep. So get into bed with a novel or a spiritual book about 30 minutes before you get into bed and go to sleep, because this gives the body an opportunity to unwind slowly. We won't be trying to force ourselves to head straight to sleep. Have you ever gone to bed and all of a sudden you're wide awake, like you just can't get to sleep? Because we're forcing our body, we're forcing ourselves to head straight into sleep. So going to bed, getting to bed with a novel or spiritual book 30 minutes before we try to go to sleep helps our bodies to calm down. It reduces that stress and it helps to put our body into that sleep mode better. So we can lull ourselves to sleep instead of forcing it to go right to sleep. So we also need to unwind by not reading any thrillers or page turners that will keep us awake. So no Stephen King books or anything similar. So we will also unwind our mind by reducing stress and anxiety by journaling before we go to bed. This is a very good therapeutic way to address what is troubling us. And it will keep you from running through problems, etc., in your mind once the lights go out. So if you've ever gone to bed and all of a sudden your brain's zigging and zagging, thinking of all these thoughts, things that have happened during the day or things that you need to do the next day, some, other stress issues, well, that's not good because it just keeps us awake. So journaling, putting to paper what is bothering us, what truly helps us to reduce that stress and anxiety so we're not thinking about it when we're trying to sleep. Now, you can do this either one of two ways. You can do what's called a brain dump, where literally you're just writing everything that comes to mind, whether it's stress related or not. You can just do a brain dump, or you can just kind of do it chronologically, what has happened during your day. Action step: choose how you will reduce stress before bed so that you can sleep well, whether it be a novel, a spiritual book, or by journaling. And then answer the question of the day in the question of the day thread, which is post a picture of the novel, spiritual book, or journal that you will use to reduce your stress so that you can sleep well.